Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the style and the assets. That decision drives every technical choice. Once you pick 2D cutout, frame by frame, or 3D, extract the source at the target FPS, 24 or 30, and save an image sequence so you can work frame accurately. Next, sketch a concise storyboard and separate backgrounds and characters into layers. This lets you batch process shots and avoid redoing assets. From here, import sequences into your animation software and organize shots into a timeline so you can begin key actions. Now you tackle the complex middle. Translate motion using rotoscoping or tracking to capture real movement, then convert that data into keyframes. Rig characters with bones or puppet pins and assign control hierarchies. Make sure to set easing curves for natural acceleration and deceleration. Once key poses are established, refine in-betweens, add overlap and secondary motion for realism, and clean up silhouettes. Also, balance timing by trimming or extending holds. This stage is where the animation breathes and the visual intent becomes clear. Finish by compositing layers, adding motion blur, shadows, and a final color grade so the animation reads clearly across screens. Render using the codec and resolution required for delivery. Include an alpha channel when you need overlays. Once you export, test playback on multiple devices and review at full speed. Check for dropped frames, jagged edges, or color shifts. If things go wrong, isolate the issue by toggling passes and render a short problematic clip. That lets you iterate quickly without re-rendering an entire project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.